Welcome. If you're here, then either you've already finished this problem and you just want to check your work. If that's the case, cool. If not, then maybe you're stuck and me and Celia
Hey guys!
are going to help you out. Okay, so this is Celia's first time doing this problem. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, we're not even joking. It's my first time.
Okay, we can do this. They're telling us to order them how?
What? Least to greatest.
Least to greatest. And that matters because what happens if you order it greatest to least?
It'll be completely backwards and, like, you don't even know.
Yeah, it'd be completely wrong. And that's awful.
Yeah.
Okay, they want us to order least to greatest. Can you tell just by looking at this which of the numbers is the least?
Well, there's two negatives.
There's two negatives. Yeah, if there was only one negative, then that would definitely be our least. But yeah, there's two.
Time to do the math.
Okay, if these were all written as decimals, that would be easy to compare, right?
Yeah.
So that's the secret sauce. We're going to turn each of these into decimals. So, Celia, you got a calculator?
Yep.
Can you tell me what 2 pi is as a decimal?
6.2
2
8
okay
3
3
1.
This will go on forever, so I'm going to stop right there if that's okay with you. Okay.
No problem.
All right, how about the square root of 3?
1.
Okay.
0.732 if you want to stop there.
All right, and how about 9%? How do you write 9% as a decimal?
You write it as...
What does percent mean?
100 divided by 100?
Divide by 100. Can you tell me what 9 divided by 100 is?
It's 0.09.
0.09. Can you tell me what negative 0.52 is as a decimal?
What?
Can you tell me what negative 0.52 is as a decimal?
0.952.
Okay. That's a trick question. It is a decimal. We're done. All right, how about 37 sixths? How do you turn that into a decimal?
You divide 37 divided by 6.
Okay.
So that makes 6.16.
6.16. All right, last but not least, or maybe it's the least, I don't know.
No.
Negative 26 over 5.
That makes 5.2. Very small number.
Ooh, negative 5.2.
Oh, negative 5.2.
5.2. Okay, alrighty. So we're looking for the least. So what numbers are we going to be looking at first?
We're going to be looking at the ones with at least negatives.
Okay, so we're looking at negative 0.52 and negative 5.2. Which of those is smaller?
Negative 0.52.
This is a trick question.
Oh. Negative 5.2.
All right. So why did you go for the other number? Why did you think it was the other one at first?
Because it looked the smallest.
Yeah. But how do you know that negative 5.2 is actually the smallest?
Because it's the farthest from 0.
Yeah. So if we had a number line, and we're looking at 0, the smallest numbers are to the left. Negative 5.2 is further left than negative 0.5.
I have to say this. I'm digging the colors.
Oh, thank you.
I love the colors.
I was an accident. Okay, another way to think about negatives is money, right? Would you rather be in debt $5 or would you rather be in debt 52 cents?
52 cents.
Yeah, so negative 5 is less.
Like, you don't even want to go near that amount.
Okay, we've taken care of the negative numbers. Yay. Now we're going to start looking at the positive numbers.
Yay!
Okay, which of these is the biggest? We're going to compare those first digits, okay? So here we have 6, and we have 1. What's the first digit on this one? 0. And 6. Okay.
How I already know 0.09.
0.0. Yeah, because how do
it
you know?
doesn't even have like a number before the decimal point.
Yeah, this whole number is 0. That's the smallest, so 0.09.
Me smart.
Yes, you are. What's the next smallest?
1.732.
Okay. Yeah, 1 is the next smallest whole number.
Yeah.
All right, what are we? Okay, we've taken care of this one. We've taken care of that one. We've taken care of both of those. All right, so these last two numbers, 6.283 and 6.16, they both have a whole number of 6. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna compare.
Compare what?
2 and 1.
2 and 1, yeah. So we look at the digits, the next digits in line, left to right.
So if we're looking for the least, it's 6.16.
Yeah. And then our greatest number,
6.283.
all right. Yeah. So as a final step, after you order the decimals, you might want to go back and rewrite them as fractions. I know, it's going to take a sec. You ready? All right, so negative 5.2, what was that originally? It was, come on, pen.
It was,
Oh, yeah, it's right.
it was 26 over 5.
Okay, and then negative 5.2 was negative 5.2.
Yeah.
0.09
Was 9. I don't even know what that symbol is.
percent.
Percent.
Okay, and the next?
Oh, wait, what? Oh.
1.7. 1.7 there.
I don't know what that's
It's the
called.
square root.
Square root of 3.
Okay, and then we had this guy.
37 over 6.
And last but not least, 2 pi. Okay,
Yeah.
so what were our steps?
Our steps were to go to the negatives first, because that's obviously the least.
Okay,
And then, if any weren't decimals, turn them into decimals, mostly dividing.
okay, so I'd say that would be our first step.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely the negatives make decimals. What's the next step?
The next step is to go to whole numbers and compare them.
Okay, compare digits.
My voice is cracking right now.
And then what was the last thing that we did that took forever?
Writing down the real answers.
Yeah. Rewriting them. Okay. All right, you are ready to try an actual star problem. So this is
Oh
a star
my
problem
God.
from 2015.
That looks like 2020. Like, what?
A problem from the future? Okay,
Yeah.
you can do this. All right, good luck, Sally.
Bye.